Hi, my name's Iqbal Khan, and I'm a theatre director, and I've worked with Box Clever Theatre Company now for over 15 years. It's a company that I love with all my heart, and I can't wait for these dark days to be over and for us to get back to sharing the wonderful work that we've done with as many young people as possible. What I'd like to do now is share with you a poem called Emigree. And the reasons why I'd like to share it with you are because it's a poem that speaks about a certain kind of erasure, an erasure of histories, an erasure of a set of memories that make certain people who they are, and makes them feel not valued and celebrated by the people who form their new homes, as it were. I hope you enjoy it. There once was a country. I left it as a child, but my memory of it is sunlight clear, for it seems I never saw it in that November, which I am told comes to the mildest city. The worst news I receive of it cannot break my original view, the bright, filled paperweight. It may be at war. It may be sick with tyrants. But I am branded by an impression of sunlight. The white streets of that city, the graceful slopes, glow even clearer as time rolls its tanks, and the frontiers rise between us, close like waves. That child's vocabulary that I carried here like a hollow doll opens and spills a grammar. Soon I shall have every coloured molecule of it. It may by now be a lie, banned by the state, but I can't get it off my tongue. It tastes of sunlight. I have no passport. There's no way back at all. But my city comes to me in its own white plain. It lies down in front of me, docile as paper. I comb its hair and I love its shining eyes. My city takes me dancing through the city of walls. They accuse me of absence. They circle me. They accuse me of being dark in their free city. My city hides behind me. They mutter death. My shadow falls as evidence of sunlight.